What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a look at Nvidia. Before I dive into this video, if you guys are looking for a trading strategy that you guys can take to the markets each and every single day, trading the first 1 to 2 hours of the market open and calling it a day, first link down in my description box below, I give you guys a free study guide, a free strategy in video format with examples that you guys can use to trade the market each and every single day. But I need to talk about Nvidia. I love this stock with a absolute passion. Nvidia, Tesla, the triple Qs, obviously the ETF, Amazon, Facebook. These are my bread and butter. I'm a high beta triple Q NASDAQ trader. I trade options full time. What I want to show you guys here, Nvidia, disastrous day. And this level I called out in last night's watch list. So I gave an entry level for a short position today. Not only did it trigger, but I know a lot of you guys in my Discord profited today. The only thing I can say is I wish we would have held this trade longer, right? So we all got in, we all profited, but did we know it was going to come down to 200 and even below? Not, but the point is that we all got in and we made some money. So one thing that I do kind of want to show you guys here on the video, and here's a level that I was kind of looking at. If we look at the daily candles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days worth of pretty much sideways action. Down day followed by an up day, followed by a down day, followed by 2 up days, followed by a down day that went absolutely nowhere. We went completely sideways. Now, was there opportunity to make money shorting and going long during these last 7 days? 100%. Was the follow through there? 100% not. Okay, so what that means is that you have to understand your supply and demand zones, and when you do get into a trade, you have to identify and kind of distinguish when to get out of the play, whether that play is working for you or against you. I kind of outline that and help everyone in the Discord, as well as these study guides and these courses that I have will definitely help you. I also offer one-on-one mentorship, so if you guys want to trade with me live or ask questions, we can go over technical analysis. You guys can kind of understand my thought process. I do all that with you guys. But why was I looking at Nvidia short? Well, we got a ton of supply ahead, right? So if you can see all of these crazy crayon lines, colors all over my screen, it looks like a mess. And yes, I do not use this chart to trade intraday because it gives me a headache, but I use this trade to kind of map out my trades. So what I'm looking for, obviously to the long side, we need to take out this sideways distribution. 227.89 does have room back up to 232. So that was the long play. Now, the play did look better to the short side, and I'm going to give you a reason why. One time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and multiple days here, 6 times, right? So 5, 6 times, we have held this area as a floor. What did we do today? We broke through that floor. Now, what I was telling everyone in Discord, sit back, wait for this level to confirm. When this level confirms, take the trade with confidence, right? Trading is all about having confidence in being able to get in and out of trades because you've seen them 1,000 times. The only way to see trades 1,000 times is to take 1,000 trades. The only other way to see trades 1,000 times is to go back and back test your theory, your strategies over and over and over. I've kind of done all that for you guys. With that being said, if we just kind of look, if Nvidia started to take out these lows here, it did have room to slide. Now, is this going to be, an extended leg down? Is the NASDAQ 100, a lot of the other tech stocks, are we going to make new lows? Are we going to go back and test kind of those, February lows like we've seen here on the triple Qs, right? So if we kind of look at the triple Qs here and I look at this daily time frame, if we kind of go back to the 24th of February and the 14th of March, you can see here this bottom price, 318, 316, somewhere in that range. Are we going to come back down and come back to this level? It's entirely possible. The triple Qs did lose their consolidation bottom half range here as well. That price was 335.75, somewhere in that area. We do have this little bit of gap that needs to be filled from 328 up into about 332. So what I can see happening, depending on where we close today, I could see a little bit of a bounce going into tomorrow, even Monday, and then any sort of rejection here at the 5-day moving average or the 10-day moving average. So if the price action kind of comes in this area and gets choppy and starts to roll over, we could take a short position here, use this as our stop or use this as our stop, and then kind of ride this through whatever today's new lows are going to be. And then this would be what is called a continuation play. So this is not the breakdown. Okay, this today is the breakdown. This would be taking the breakdown. If we were breaking out to the top, this would be taking the breakout. Being that we're breaking down, and you're looking to trade that on a following day, you would be playing a continuation play. So playing a continuation play is a little bit different than a breakdown, but we do have room to come back down. Whoa. We do have room to come back down into this area here, that 320 zone. If we come down into the 320 zone, I can see a complete bounce and sideways consolidation there. Now, there's going to be one of two things that are going to happen. Obviously, either we're going to bounce back up to the top of the range here, that 340 range, or we're going to come up midway, get rejected at these lows, and come back down. If we do lose that 323.18 zone, we will be going lower. I do not care what anyone on Twitter or StockTwits or YouTube is telling you. We will go lower for an extended leg down across the NASDAQ 100 if we lose these lows. That's not what you want to see if you're a long-term holder, a swing trader, or an investor. If you're a day trader or a scalper, doesn't really matter because we're going to play long and short. I hope this video helps you guys. Kind of wanted just to give you guys a little bit of breakdown on that Nvidia trade. So Nvidia kind of looks the chart looks the same as the triple Qs, but if you guys are trading these type of stocks, you need to understand what the triple Qs are doing. That way you can understand what your stock is doing, and that way you can understand what side of the trade to be on. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also join the Discord and get that free strategy, guys. Trade the open like a freaking boss. Okay, 1 to 2 hours of the market open. That's all it really takes. You don't need to be sitting in front of your computer screen for 12 freaking hours. You know, you can just come in, watch the first 30 minutes of the market open, and kind of pick your spots and take one trade and walk away for the day. I hope this video helps. I'll see you guys on the next one.